Hey, I'm Matt Hillebrand. I'm at a customer's house. We've got two brand new all-in-one GE washer dryer combos. We pulled out an old front-load washer dryer. Customer wanted to have two of the all-in-ones. So what we're doing, we're going to go through the setup. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the Smart Dispense detergent. Now, GE is going to recommend Tide, but you can use any HE detergent. So I'm going to take what the homeowner has and I'm going to go ahead and just fill this up to the top. And then what will happen is when I select the Smart Dispenser detergent option in our options, it'll tell us whether we need to add more or where it actually falls. But I'm going to just take that just to the top, close that. Now I'm going to turn on the machine, okay? So turning on the machine, it's going to tell us, welcome. We're going to select what it is we're going to do. Okay. So we're going to actually bypass our setup. And we're going to put a load of clothes in here. And then we're going to go ahead and start the machine and make sure that we're going to be good to go. And actually, I'm going to make sure our Smart Dispense is on. So we're good to go. Let me grab a load of clothes real quick, and we'll go ahead and start that machine. All right, so we're going to go ahead and throw some clothes in the machine here. Just a normal load. And then we're going to select our normal option. Okay. And we're just going to hit start. So it'll go about an hour and 42 minutes. And then it'll go right into our dry. So total time, just under 2 hours. So it's about what it takes to do a washer, wash, and then a dry in your dryer. So we're going to come back in a couple hours here and see the results. So we're back and we did our first loads in the customer's new GE all-in-one washer dryer units. So we're pulling out those loads perfectly dry. So it's pretty cool that you don't have to wait for the washer to be done to pull it out, put it into a dryer. These are great machines. And with the app that GE offers for your smartphone, you can monitor how the wash cycle is going. And what's cool is that our other machine, which we had going, is going to be done momentarily as well. So we're doing 2 loads and a lot faster time. Be sure to comment on the video. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to hear any questions. But right off the bat, the customer is going to be ecstatic with these new machines.